Hey guys, it's Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing of this HP Sprocket. So this is a portable printer. I got this as a gift from my friends when I went back to Singapore, and they gifted me as a welcome home gift. But I am back here in Toronto and it is my birthday month, so I'm gonna treat this as my first birthday present. Yeah, so let me just zoom you guys in and we're just gonna see what this case entails and then see what's inside. And I've only opened it up to see the contents, but I've not really tried out the printer, so this will be kind of a walkthrough, I guess. So if you're interested to see this video, do stay tuned. So this is the limited edition gift box, and they got it in my favorite color, pink, and it comes with a printer, which is the new edition. It also comes with a wallet case and a 50 sheet HP zinc printer pack. So let's just get in and open up the box. So here is the Sprocket itself. It's really very cute. I've only opened up just to see to check how it is, but I've not really opened up the contents, but we'll go through that later. And then it comes with this this is the printer paper. Yeah, so there's 50 sheets inside, and inside this box it also comes with the wallet case, which is in rose gold. It is so pretty. So let's just go ahead and open up the Sprocket itself, and then we'll come to opening this one up. Yeah, so this is the Sprocket. Basically what it is it's just a portable printer, and it prints 2 by 3 inches photos from your smartphone. So I think this is kind of useful for those who just want to print on the go, and they want to print and keep for keepsakes and give away the photos to their friends. But I also think that this will be useful to me because I love to journal, and I have a traveler's notebook, and I do jot down things, places, people I've met, and so on. So I think this will be very useful. Then I can just print out my selfies or photos of places I've been, and straight away just place it into my planner. Okay, so let's just go ahead and open this up. So it just comes in this kind of packaging, and it has this box. So this is the box that the printer comes in, and ta-da, there you go. It is so cute. I think it is so tiny. It's so compact. It reminds me of a, like those power banks. So at first glance you would think that, yeah, it's just a power bank, but no, it's actually a printer. So I've not even opened it up. I thought of doing it on camera. So it comes with the printer itself, and it has a cable here, a USB cable, which you can charge, I suppose, via a charger or your USB port on your laptop. And it comes with a set of instructions. So you're supposed to download the app, which is the Sprocket app. I've already downloaded the app so that we can go through that later. And it also comes with the pack of 10 pieces of zinc printer paper. Yeah, so we're gonna use all these things on the spot, and yeah, let's just try it out. I've been wanting to, I got this in, I suppose June, was it? But I kept it because I wanted to bring it home and then do a video first before I used it. So I've been wanting to try it out for so long, and yeah, it's finally able to do it. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. So it's very nicely packed, and just need to figure out how to use this because I've not I didn't really check out other videos on how to use this thing. So let's just go ahead and figure it out ourselves. So this is the printer. Let me get my other phone. Okay, so I've downloaded the app. So this is the Sprocket app. Let's just do it here. Okay, set up my printer. Yeah, let's do that. So this is the Sprocket. Charge, power on. Okay, let's see, how do we switch it on? Okay, there's a button here. Hope you can see it. Let's zoom in. So the button is there, and then you have the cable to charge over there. So let's try to To charge, connect the USB cord, press and hold the power button. I'm supposed to connect it, but let's just try. This may take some time. Oh, apparently I think this needs to be charged, so I'm just gonna go ahead and charge it for a while and then I'll get back to you guys. So I'm charging the Sprocket. So before, apparently you could switch it on, you have to charge it and then make sure that, you know, it has ample battery. And there's a bit of whirring noise, so it is switching on. And I think it's trying to just, I don't know, figure out like, I'm not sure what this is doing because I don't see any instructions. So we're just gonna go with the flow. So the next thing that we need to do is to actually let's see, so it's already switched on and it turns white and we need to load the paper. So I'm going to use the pack that came with the box itself. So this is the 10 pieces of 2 by 3 inches or 5 by 7.6 cm sticky backed photo sheet. So apparently this acts like a sticker. After you've printed it, you can just peel off the backing and then paste it. So let's quite. There you go. Okay, so that's the paper there, and it comes with this blue smart sheet, I guess. So it says must load facing down. Okay, so we're gonna do that, but before that, let's figure out how to open this. It says, oh, it didn't say how, but I think I'm just gonna slide it. I don't know. Now it's red. So I think it's charging. I'm not sure, but this sucks. I don't know how to open it. But I think oh, okay. It's just like that. So I've opened it and then we're gonna slide the paper facing down that way. Okay, then we're gonna put it back. Oh, which way is it? This way. Oh, easy. So it's white now. Okay, so that's that. And then next, get connected. Okay, so it's powered on, and then let's connect. We're gonna switch on our Bluetooth for that. Okay, Bluetooth is on, and oh, the blue paper is coming out, so that's a good thing. Okay, I'm just waiting to connect the Bluetooth. I need to pair it with the printer itself. So let's take this out, and there it is. It's taking some time, so I'm just gonna pause here until it connects. Guys, so guess what? I wasn't able to connect the Sprocket to my phone. I'm not sure what's going on. There seems to be some connectivity issue, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to connect and then try to print it. And yeah, I really wanted to try to print and, you know, get it all on camera and yeah, just do a walkthrough, but unfortunately I'm not able to do that. But I just want to finish this video, and I realized that I did not go through this wallet case, so it's really cute. Just open it from the bottom. So it's in this gorgeous rose gold color, as I mentioned, and oh, it's gleaming, and it's really a simple like zip around. So there's a bit of foam here, and it comes, oh, there's a side pocket over here. I suppose you can keep your extra printer paper, and it comes with warranty too, so it fits really perfectly inside like that. And then you can still have your USB cable at the top or at the side here. Let's put it at the side, and yeah, so it closes like that. It's so adorable, and I'm still bummed that I'm not able to use this right now. I still have to figure out. I hope that it's not spoiled or anything, because my friends did get this in Singapore, so I think it's still under warranty, but I may have to go back to Singapore to get it changed or fixed or whatnot. So yeah, it's just, oh, I'm so annoyed. So anyway, that's all I have for today's video, and I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, do give me a thumbs up, do subscribe, and yeah, it would be nice if you guys do. Until next time, bye.